Hello my friend, Irina Bjorn and Bell Books invite you for the next program about health, about the secrets, about small tips, small tricks at home. When I travel a lot, I talk with a lot of people and my questions go, what you are doing to look so good? What you are doing to have such nice long life? And when I was in Greece, in small islands we called Chios, so I learned about the secret of mastika. Mastika, what is mastika? Mastika, it's a harpix from the pistache tree. And in Greece, it's a lot of pistache, different pistache tree, also in Italy, but only from the island of Chios. So this pistache tree gives special harpix, which have special properties to heal your stomach, to kill the bacteria. So, and they call the tears of mastika. Tears of mastika. Mastika, it's the name of this tree. So you can see this is it's a Greek name, and it's a picture of this tree. It's a big tree, in fact. And I show you a little bit closer how it look like. It's here. You see them? They look like small gemstones, in fact, gemstones. So this island, it's very famous for the people who living long life and have the good health. So, and I can see that mastika they use for the cooking. You can buy also the powder, mastika powder. I just show you how it look like. It's here, and this here it's powder from mastika. So they put a little bit, bake the bread, so you can put this a little bit in your dough to make the bread a little bit. It's smelling very good and very good for the property of digestion. So they make this for the toothpaste, and it's a toothpaste, it's kill the bacteria and clean the plaque in your teeth, and they make some sweets. This is it's a sweets from natural sugar and mastika, which is children use when they're sick a little bit, for example, inflammation in the throat. They take a little bit this, put this in the tea and warm this, because it's very rigid. It's very rigid. You can see it's like a honey which is staying long time. So you take a little bit of this, break this, and put this in the spoon, put this in the warm tea, and then they just swallow this. Very good smell. And when I travel, I always have several tears of mastika with me, because also they damp your desire to eat too much. It's very good for the break the feelings of the hunger. So, and when I have long travel, I used to not to eat anything, only drink the water. So I chew this mastika. And of course, Greek people, they are very smart. They like in the evening some feasts, and they like to drink the alcohol. So they make the mastika vodka, which I bought also. So, and I recommend the patient, for example, for the cancer of the stomach, take a little bit of this vodka with mastika and dilute this with the water, about 1 teaspoon for half glass of the good water, and then drink this first in the morning as a medicine, because so your stomach will kill all of the bacteria in the way of the stomach, all of the bugs, and then your digestion will be better, much better. Irina Bjorn and Bell Books wish you good health and good spring. And Bell Books, books for easy living and nice smiling people.